How? What? Why? I don't really understand how this works. Okay, I'm just gonna. Come here. Start real. Press game. Press. That's it. Cut off. Cut it. I don't want to talk to you guys. Else, man. Just delete house. Yeah. Okay, you wouldn't believe this. I mean, yeah, you wouldn't believe this even if I told you. But I just 1v3 and managed to kill the person I was supposed to hunt. I managed to kill the person that I was supposed to hunt out of 3 people. And you know what pulled it off? Blood Spear. Blood Spear is so good for hunting people. Especially Shark Fiends, right? They have low HP, because I'm Shark Fiend, right? I've been there, I know what it's like, you have no HP. He teleported through the map, but I was able to tell where he is, because he got the spike blade thing on him. So I saw him coming. I got another hit on him, he started running, I land a Blood Spear, I land another Blood Spear, he turns the corner, I follow him around the corner, and then I landed one last one, and that earned me. Okay, actually, I think it would be better if I explain it while you can see this, because yeah, I know you can't see it right now, you know, and it's pretty underwhelming if you can't see it. So let me just get these. Yeah. To here. Cool. And then okay, cool. So yeah, what was I saying? Where was I? Okay. So yeah, I'll show you. Oh yeah, that was sick though. That was so good. But like, you can't record everything, which is annoying, right? This one's a bit shit. Oh, what's that? Oh, okay. No, this one's a bit shit. Okay, let me go to a new server. I wanna go to the server with people. Oh, okay, sure. Morning. I'm hoping this isn't the same. So yeah, it's 3 people. Oh my fuck! I even saw that as well. Give me ants. Imposter. Oh, ants. What the fuck do you want, bro? Oh my god! You do that again. Do that again. Do that again. Oh nah, I'm lagging. Yeah, I have to like predict.
Yeah, it's getting cold.
Okay.
Something to warm
Fuck off, bro. You're not doing that to me. Okay, imposter theme. I'll take that. Boom. Oh, what? How did I miss? I was able to hunt the shark feet down. There's no way I'll be missing. Okay, yeah, so. Okay, so I can actually like see where the imposter things are. Yeah, I need the rendering to be on. Yeah, okay. So, alright, we were fighting. Okay, so he was on Shark Fiend. I couldn't find him anywhere. I was like, where is he? He was a Shark Fiend. And he was picking up trash. Okay, so he was there, right? And then I hit him twice. He managed to shock dive. There's 3 people, right? And then he managed to shock dive. The other 2 people were trying to kill me. This guy, because they see that I'm targeting him, right? Just, I don't know. I had to hunt him, so it wasn't like particularly out of any reasons. But yeah, I had to hunt him. And then while he was underwater, actually, let me just kill this guy first.
I probably should go out scavenging soon.
Wait, what am I missing?
I probably should go out scavenging soon.
Imagine they were teaming.
I probably should go out scavenging soon.
Oh, what? You're not gonna attack me? Oh ho, buddy! Yeah, I'm very laggy, so that's not good. I wanna turn off the lag. No more lag.
I could use some food right about now.
Still so fucking laggy. Still so laggy, bro. Still so laggy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, buddy. Where you going? You say you're going, bro? Meow. Oh shit, how did I miss that? Oh, how the fuck did I miss that? Bro, I've got parkour skills as well, man. Where the fuck do you think you're going? I missed every single spear. That is so annoying. Ah. Not when he's running in a straight line.
The government must be up to something.
Oh, nice block, buddy. What the fuck? You can run backwards? Yeah. Oh, buddy, why are you targeting me now? Get him. Okay, maybe my contract is a bit annoying because I'm lagging and I can't get him, I'm lagging. It's really annoying. I have to rely solely on my blade, so it's problematic. Fuck. Shit. Oh, if I get comboed, I'm gonna die. Do I need to heal? Not really, not yet. You are not faster that way. Oh, buddy. Okay. Oh, I don't have blood to transform. Shit. Let me just go. I wanna get him. I wanna get him so badly. But we both lack the tool to kill the other. Actually, I would say his tool is slightly better. Can't lie. I mean, I am just chasing him the whole time, right? Oh, what else do you attack me? Nobody? No? Okay. Buddy! Big mistake, man. Oh, what? All that for $200? Are you kidding? All that for 200. Oh wow. Oh wow, man. All that for 200. Holy shit, I got scared. Whatever, bro. Okay. Are you following me? You are following me. You are following me. Okay. Yeah, I don't need to transform. Okay, anyways, I don't know what happened there. I think it's because all the lag, right? I'm lagging insanely hard. But yeah, anyways, so we were fighting. He sunk underground, but he got the thing, right? So I can see him, and he spawned over there somewhere. So he was coming back to get to his teammates, right? To help him. I don't know why he was coming back though. He started, accidentally pressed E, so I got 2 hits in, but that didn't kill him. So he's shark feet, right? So he quickly went underground and just like started running, like ASAP. Yeah, actually, wait, how was he so fast? Okay, anyway, yeah, he was fast without anyone on him. Oh, he did the dash. He did a dash, which dashed him all the way here. The dash is crazy. I'm gonna get a dash later. And then I landed like a blood spare here, right here. And then he got hit, right? So he was dashing. And then I threw one right here, which hit him. And then while he was turning the corner, so he was low. And then I landed one last one over here. Boom, killed him. $5,000, which you could have seen. You could have saw. At the beginning of the recordings that I had 1.3k. That 5,000 and you know the increase in XP, that's all from that one guy. Because I get a quota, right? And I get more cash because I have this thing. No, but I need to unlock that. But I have this thing, right? I have this. So yeah. Oh, impossible. Oh my god. Okay, wait. I'm not gonna fight them right now because I got more important things to do, like finishing my quest and just hopping off. Because the study is real, man. The study is real. I mean, it's true that he didn't have any contract, but it's also true that I'm only 57. So now, I've been caught off guard without contract. It's only a katana. And I can still manage to win, so yeah, I don't see the argument. Yeah, where the fuck is... Oh, so you were the one. Okay. damage. I think you're dead. Yeah, you're dead. Yeah. Kill imposter. Oh, is that imposter? Kill imposter. I can't tell where the imposter is because I can't see it. Oh! No! I think you just stole my kill, bro. Not cool, man. You stole my kill. Not cool. How did you take my kill, even though I killed the fiend? I don't know. I don't know how that works. Like, what? How does that work? I was the one that killed the fiend, but it counted his kill. Fucking interrupted me. Ah, so annoying. Let's put the money back. I don't need to walk around with money, you know what I mean? Why would I want other people to have my money? Anyways. Where is imposter? Yeah, like, what the fuck? Oh, that's annoying. I'm actually gonna not fight them because they give no reward, so I see no point. Oh, white cat.
Damn.
Nah,
I could use
I
some
won't fight
food right
them.
about now.
I won't fight them. I'm a good guy. Oh, whoa, buddy, whoa. Yo, okay. See what happens when you don't kill them? See what happens when you don't kill them? I should have reacted, honestly. See what happens when you don't kill them? You know what, I'll do this. Just so I know my surroundings. You see what happens when you don't kill them? 先下手为强啊！先下手为强啊！ You don't kill them, they get annoying like that. So either you finish them off, or you pray they don't finish you off. Also, what the fuck is that sound? Is someone fighting the Yakuza? Probably. Brutal. Actually, someone's fighting the Yakuza. I'll probably take advantage of this. Yeah. And then where's the person? This guy. Okay, and then if I do work, I think he died, right? Oh, he doesn't die. He close to die. Oh, he's the one that took my thing, right? Actually, no, I'm not gonna fight him because there's no point. So I was there. Oh, buddy, I'm not gonna fight you. You know why? Because you're poor. You got no money. Why would I? Oh my god. Why would I fight you if you have no money? Why would I fight you if you have no money? Oh, I should have used features like that. See, those fiends, man. The shark fiend knows. Oh, buddy. What is it? What is bro thinking? This bro thinking is cool going this way. Wait, what? Is bro trying to loop around? You get me? That won't work, man. Yo, I'm gonna get you. That got you, didn't it? how am I supposed to fight this shit, bro? He just runs away. Ah, okay. Oh my god, he does so much damage as well. Fucking stupid ass. Okay. You know what? You know what? I'll let you go. I'll let you go. I don't feel like fighting right now. And I can't fight him. Like, I legit cannot fight him right now with the things I have. It's too defensive. And also, look at the lag. Holy fuck. It's like, calm down. Let me play the game, please. No one else can see it other than me. And where is this last two imposters?
Position. It would definitely be Mozart, Beethoven.
Oh. I won't kill him. I won't kill him. That'd be nice. And I just want to find an imposter. How is it this hard? Okay, well, imposter fiend is nowhere to be found, so I shall roll missed. We're in combat, bro. You can't leave. Unless I say so, of course. And I did not say so, so you can't leave, man. Like, come on, man, you can't be leaving. Yeah, what the fuck are you saying you're doing? You trying to loop around? What the fuck? Oh, right there. No, I missed. Ah, he was low HP. That's why he was running. Oh. Anyways, yeah, I don't really know. Tana. I mean, I just want to kill the fucking thing, man. Like, why are you making it so hard? It's lizard. Oh my god. It's lizard. Oh. Oh my god. I saw the lag. It's not lag me out. Okay, you know what? No more PvP. No more PvP. We have to resist. We have to farm. We have to farm things. No more PvP, okay? Because it's too dangerous. I might get lagged out. And that's the last thing that I want happen to me. So, no more PvP. How do they tell if you claim the report? No, I should know. So technically, right, if you can bypass that, then you get a lot of speed. So, is imposter fiend. I won't fight you because there's no point in that. You know what? Yeah, I'll just wait for the imposter fiend. Yeah, I'll just wait, I guess. It's a waiting game. It's never been a PvP game. Combat game. It's always been a waiting game. It's nighttime. What the fuck? How? Oh. Yeah, waiting's done. Let's go. Is that something I need to kill? Is that something I need to kill? He left. He left the moment he saw me. Nice. Good to know, good to know. He left the moment he saw me. Okay, buddy. Okay, man. That's okay, I guess. Yep, you can leave up. Actually, I'll get my ult, and then they can both grind, so I'll get an extra fast. I'll get an extra fast. Yeah, I'll give my ult, they both get money, right? And then, what if I meet PvP hunters? I feel like if I meet them, I'll make sure, oh my god, this thing is below level 10, and if I meet them, I'll be using my thing. So if I meet them, I'll fight them. I can just fight them off, no problem. And I don't have to protect my ult. Yeah. Everyone's doing the strat now. It's great. Damn, I really wanted to kill that, but that's right. Yeah, I'm just gonna let you go. Ho ho, okay. Yo ho, buddy. Oh, you don't want to be cutting them up, because like, you know, cut them up. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy, you know what happens when you cut them? Oh, you know what happens? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, bro. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. What the fuck? Oh, fuck. Wait, they're talking to me now. What the fuck? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Whatever. Maybe I should have fallen. Oh! No. No. It was all part of fate. I didn't need to fight him. Oh my god, how did I miss that? Oh wow, this imposter is outmaneuvering me. Calm down, buddy. You should have the same HP. Meaning, one more hit, and then here. There we go. Alright, that's fine, that's fine. That's so good. That's so good. You did. I don't even need to fight you anymore. Wait, you're not with what? Right there before. I was kinda impressed for like 2 seconds. But yeah. That's about it. Oh, there's so many imposters now. What the fuck? Okay. Okay, but now there's just so many imposters. Okay, man. Okay. And do I feel like killing them? Not really. I mean, you gotta realize that. Oh, maybe I should have killed them. Maybe I should have killed them. But at the same time, right, I wasn't trying to kill. I was trying to just get these like stuff. I get a lot of money from this, right? And like the XP I get is so minimal.
Damn, I could use some food.
No, but the XP I get is so minimal, and I don't want to fight Maki. I know I will die if I fight Maki. It's that simple. You know what? Fuck this.
I probably should go out scavenging soon.
Yeah, you probably should, because I'm not gonna do it for you. I'm just gonna go.